Centre on Wednesday move a step closer to conducting Census of India 2027, announcing that the first phase house listing and housing census will be carried out from April 1st to September 30th, 2026. According to official notification, state governments and union territories will undertake the exercise to collect data on housing conditions, assets and basic amenities, excluding population details. The government had earlier notified on June 16, 2025 that the census will be conducted in two phases. The second phase, population enumeration (PE), will be held in February 2027. However, in the Union Territory of Ladakh and snowbound regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the enumeration will take place in September 2026 due to adverse climatic conditions. During the population enumeration phase, detailed demographic, socio-economic and cultural information of every individual in each household will be collected. The Union Cabinet has approved a budget of 11,718 crore rupees for massive national exercise. Census 2027 will be historic as it will be India's first fully digital census conducted through mobile applications. Self-enumeration will also be introduced, allowing citizens to submit their details online ahead of the house listing phase. Moreover, caste data will be collected for the first time since independence. Around 30 lakh enumerators will be deployed for the exercise, which will be the 16th national census and the 8th since independence. The census will generate granular data at the village, town and ward levels, aiding policy making and resource allocation. The reference data for the census has been fixed at midnight on March 1, 2027. The process is governed by the Census Act 1948 and the Census Rules 1990.